Best Buy's Cyber Monday sale is packed with unbeatable deals on top electronics, including TVs, laptops, phones, and more. Shoppers can enjoy deep discounts and exclusive online offers, making it the perfect time to grab the latest tech at amazing prices. All the product links are in the description box. Let's get started. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra was $1,299, now $849 at Best Buy. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is one of the best Android phones by far, offering an excellent camera system, helpful AI features, and a long-lasting battery. We gave it 4.5/5 stars in our Galaxy S24 Ultra review. Plus, you get 7 years of software updates. Get it now for $300 off. Xbox Series X was $499, now $449 at Best Buy. The Xbox Series X is Microsoft's flagship console. It features 12 teraflops of graphics power, 16 GB of RAM, a 1 terabyte SSD, and a Blu-ray drive. It runs games at 4K resolution and 60 frames per second with a max of 8K at 120 FPS. It really shines when paired with an Xbox Game Pass subscription, giving you access to hundreds of top games at once. Sony ZV-E10 vlogging camera kit was $799, now $698 at Best Buy. The Sony ZV-E10 is a lean, mean content creation machine geared toward videographers and vloggers. It boasts high-quality 4K capture, super reliable video autofocus, a selfie touchscreen, and an impressive onboard microphone. It's even live stream capable. This deal includes the camera along with a sharp and compact 18 to 55 mm zoom lens. Dell Inspiron 16 2-in-1 mini LED touch laptop was $1,499, now $999 at Best Buy. Save $500. The latest 2-in-1 powerhouse from Dell comes in the form of this sleek Inspiron 16. Sporting a 16-inch 2560 x 1600 mini LED touch display, an efficient Intel Core 7 processor, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 terabyte SSD. All of this makes the $500 saving all the more worthwhile for this laptop that doubles as a tablet. Apple M3 MacBook Air 13-inch was $999, now $799 at Best Buy. The best overall MacBook is currently $200 off right now. Inside, you're getting that impressive M3 chip, 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB, and that gorgeous liquid retina display. In our review, we praise this editor's choice model for its versatility and long battery life. Garmin Forerunner 55 was $199, now $149 at Best Buy. At $199, the Forerunner 55 is the best affordable Garmin watch on the market for workout tracking. But you won't pay $199, at least not today. The Garmin watch I find myself recommending the most for its reliability, battery life, build quality, and comfort is just $149 ahead of the holidays. Hiboy S2 electric scooter was $499, now $299 at Best Buy. This excellent budget scooter is even cheaper right now. In our Hiboy S2 review, we noted that this is a very capable model for those who want something light and cheap and don't have many hills to climb. It has a 350W motor and a max range of 22 miles. Like many other scooters, you can also customize it using an app. GoPro Hero 12 Black was $349, now $299 at Best Buy. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is one generation out from the latest greatest model, but it remains one of our favorite action cameras, especially when discounted thanks to its gorgeous 5.3K video footage, simple user interface, rock-solid image stabilization, and 33 feet waterproof rating. JBL Tune 235 NC earbuds was $99, now $49 at Best Buy. With $50 in savings, these JBL Tune buds are a total steal. The earbuds stream audio with low power consumption at high quality. You'll also hear more of what you want and less of what you don't, thanks to active noise-canceling technology. They also boast up to 10 hours of battery life. Asus ROG Ally Ryzen Z1 Extreme was $649, now $499 at Best Buy. The Asus ROG Ally is a Windows 11-based gaming handheld that gets you access to the best games from Steam, Xbox Game Pass, EA Origin, and more. This model has a Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, giving it much more power potential than its entry-level cousin to play the latest and greatest games with incredible detail and smooth frame rates on its 7-inch FHD 120Hz display. Lenovo IdeaPad One Eye was $499, now $249 at Best Buy. The Lenovo IdeaPad One Eye is on sale for $249 at Best Buy. This laptop features an Intel Core i3-1215U CPU with 8 GB memory and a 256 GB SSD. You also get a 15.6-inch FHS touch display and Intel Iris Xe graphics. While it's not a gaming powerhouse, this laptop should easily handle everyday browsing and streaming. Hisense 100 inches U76N ULED 4K TV was $2,999, now $1,799 at Best Buy. At a whopping 100 inches, the Hisense U76N ULED is a monster to behold. It leverages some exciting new specs, most tantalizing of all being gaming-centric proponents like a 144 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision gaming support for cinematic experiences at over 60 FPS. Several other enhancements like Wi-Fi 6E, Google TV OS, and IMAX Enhanced make it the perfect entertainment solution and an utter steal. Sony WH-1000XM4 was $349, now $229 at Best Buy. The Sony WH-1000XM4 is one of the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy for the money. You get great sound quality, strong noise cancellation, and responsive smart controls, plus 30 hours of battery life. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is newer, but you can't beat this deal. Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge Snapdragon X Elite was $1,349, now $799 at Best Buy. At $799, this is the best Copilot plus PC deal available. This 15-inch thin and light laptop features a Snapdragon X Elite for impressive performance and power efficiency, complemented by 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Sony 65, Bravia XR X90 L4 KUHD Smart TV was $1,199.99, now $999.99 at Best Buy. Save a bit on the sweetest splurge of the season with this Sony model that features enhanced contrast, impressive brightness, and powerful processing. Jabra Elite 10 was $249, now $149 at Best Buy. Equipped with Dolby Atmos, spatial audio support with head tracking, seamless Bluetooth multipoint with Bluetooth 5.3 and LE audio, The Jabra Elite 10 delivers some of the best sounds we've heard from a pair of wireless earbuds as well as powerful ANC. They're also IP57 rated for dust and water resistance and last for up to 36 hours of battery life. Dell Inspiron 16 laptop was $1,499, now $999 at Best Buy. Save big on Dell's new Inspiron 16, decked out with an efficient Intel Core 7150U processor, 16 GB of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD storage, and a 16-inch non-touch display with crisp 2.5K, 2560 1600 resolution, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. With Windows 11 Pro, it'd make an excellent work laptop. HP Envy 14 was $999, now $799 at Best Buy. This Windows 2-in-1 is undergoing a sweet discount. The flexible laptop has a 14-inch 1920x1200 touch display. As for the internals, it features an Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, 16 GB RAM, and 512 GB storage. Sennheiser Accentum was $199, now $149 at Best Buy. If you're looking for great value headphones, the Sennheiser Accentum should be at the top of your list. They're based on Sennheiser's more expensive noise cancelers, the Momentum 4, and feature similar sound, excellent noise canceling, and an incredible battery life of 60 hours. Corsair M75 wireless gaming mouse was $129.99, now $79.99 at Best Buy. Save $50. With its ambidextrous design and super speedy sensor, the Corsair M75 wireless is one of my top gaming mice. It's seen its fair share of discounts over the year so far, but they've all bottomed out at $89.99. Best Buy is going $10 further in this year's holiday sale with a $79.99 rate. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.